What's shaking, guys? It's your boy Food Reviewer 2679 Original, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we're gonna be reviewing some, check it out guys, Domino's pizza with one of the sugar sticks. Bombski. Alright guys, okay, I'm gonna take a bite out of my Canadian bacon and mushroom pizza and tell you guys how I feel about it, the flavor, and I'm also gonna take a couple bites out of this dank stick, as I like to call them. I've never had them before, but I call them dank sticks. Okay guys, just remember, I've never had any of this food before, ever. I'm gonna cleanse my palate with this Diet Cock. Alright guys, let's get into this review. As you see here, I got this nice looking pizza. That's a good looking, that was a good mushroom. Alright guys, you ready? Bombski! That guy, filled with flavor, guys. Bombski. I give it a 5 out of 5 on the Bombski chart. So, pretty Bombski, guys. Alright. Now for the cinnamon sticks. The dank sticks. Let me cleanse my palate with this cock. Alright guys, you ready? Let's get this close money shot right here. You guys,